Alright, we working?
Are you like I swear, you like
Oh, I'm trying to copyright it right off the bat. Alright. Okay, dear. I won't get copyrighted. Okay. I think that's good. That's good. Okay, 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 okay. First. Alright. Let's do on audio monitoring.
I'm on the road.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, good. Alright, let's update the thumbnail. All that shit. I'll just switch to the other page.
Wanna see my game. Pressure cool, but I'm glad they okay. I step on my brothers, no other. You know I smell like some butter. My brother got high low. I got green tips, crunchy taco.
Twitch don't even need it, actually. What the fuck? That's fine.
I'm a defeated. I just hop on the beat and I kill it. I got some partners that dealing. I'm rocking black like a villain. How about the coupe? How about the room? There's so much smoke in the bed. Check out the roof. Check out the top. I know she a top, you love her.
Alright. Oh, also, gang, this is a restream. Not restream, but I'll stream for 2 hours. That shit fucking, I accidentally ended it after 2 hours, so I just deleted it. So, I guess 2 hours just gone. Oh, not gone. I did some work. I did a couple of, I did a little bit of work. Alright, so yeah, I guess you can say it's not gone.
Wanna see my game. Pressure cool, but I'm glad they okay. I step on my brothers, no other. You know I smell like some butter. My brother got high low. I got green tips, crunchy taco.
Oh, what the fuck?
I'm the man, the bitch, I'm a beat it. I'm a defeated. I just hop on the beat and I kill it. I got some partners that dealing. I'm rocking black like a villain. Fuck. Check. Hey, check it out. Reef on my chain, I'm a bladder, nigga. Yeah. I'm gonna say it again.
Okay, good. I should just open thing beats. Fucking lo-fi beats. Yeah, not trying to get copyrighted. Right. Alright. Alright, start. Alright, we working? Summary. Yes. Fuck, would I press that again? Should working? Yes, it's working. Yeah. Gang, as I was saying, fucking, I was streaming for 2 hours, right? I accidentally pressed delete. So, not delete, but I stopped it, right? So I had to delete it. I didn't want to post it. Just 2 hours. Then, be back on this stream. I did a little bit of work, so it wasn't a waste. Anyways, bro, TikTok is towing my shit so hard every day, bro. Every day towing my shit. Doesn't stop towing me. Alright, boom. How do I? Okay, right there. Like finally, correcting. All right, like the stream, yeah. Should I also? Oh yeah, I was gonna. I don't want to do it now. I was gonna say like, actually it's easy. I can do that. I'm gonna go live on my phone instead of my computer. And just open the stream. What the fuck is this game? Okay. What's the most widespread thing right now? Battles? Let's okay, fuck up Roblox. Give me a sec, y'all. I'm just going live on my phone, so it's good. Save. Save. Okay. Tails. Nah, no need. Alright. Do I have that shit open? One second. Oh. Oh fuck. I guess I just gotta, I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Alright, go live. That game. Select establishing screen of foundation. Continue. Oh, bitch. Will I not take the game? Make sure you set the vibe with break contents. 5 continue after the captain. Oh, sorry. Oh, triple. Are you working? Ow. What the fuck we got going on? How do I share my screen to that case? Settings. Space equipment. And how do I go live on that? Share, call, play. What's streaming? Screen broadcast. Stop broadcast screen. Oh, now cancel. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, I think like that. Let's see. Can y'all hear it? Do that. Fuck. I'll just. Connection successful. Why you do that? Alright, oh, Wi-Fi? Is that laggy? Is that laggy, gang? Okay, good. Oh shit. The internet speed. Speed test. 300 megabits. Is that good? 460. It's alright. I think it's good though now. Yo. Yo. Alright, stop. Very fast. Fuck. I guess. Right. Alright, oh, just do that though. Hold on. You're good? Yo, yo, yo. Okay, good. Bitch, am I not live? What you mean comments off? Why are my comments off again? Well, how do I turn my comments on? Oh, comment. Oh, bitch. Settings. Right. Section about me. Let's do that. So is no one allowed to fucking talk? Correct. Yo, why are my comments off, gang? Okay, yeah, just hold my shit. So this way? Yo, okay, it's right. Alright, so why the fuck are you not working, gang? Fuck it, bro. Okay, let's do some go. Burger review. Review. Alright. Oh, that's the best we can do, man. Is my quality good? Why is comments off? That's what I'm wondering. Whatever. Quality. Picture 360. Alright. You're working. Yes. You're good. Yes, you're good. You're good. Oh, wait, yeah, I was about to say something. But there we go. Alright. So gang. 2 hours we're just doing the queue shit and then live ended, so we're gonna remember now. We were gonna get the processing queue function done. I don't know what to do with that though, because I can either do with like have the other controllers handle it, or I can have the queue handler itself handle it with like a signal or something like that. But it's like, I don't know. But it shouldn't matter, right? Because there's priority, so none of it should matter anyway. Let's just test out what's going on right now. Alright, so that works, and it prints. Okay. This was a swing state change. Let's do a swing state change. Alright, well, I mean, I could really do the queue later though, because it's not really urgent. I mean, but it's like, do I need to do it right now? I can start doing the server stuff. The server stuff. I don't know. Alright, let's just think of an idea. Alright. So when the state change, we have to have the queue handler. When this gets fired right here, state change. When this gets fired, I had this access queue handler and save process queue, the function right there. Right? I think that's the best way. I don't know though. I'm gonna do like that though. Current flags, just cycle through the flags that state manages. State priority check, which like if it's playable or not, like things playable. I think that's the best way. Alright. Fuck. But thing. I don't think that can't be it, bro. No, cause like I want my combat manager and all that, and like combat controller to send it as well. Same with the movement controller. I don't think client state should be doing that. I had to restart because I was so unorganized. Maybe let's try with combat controller. Right. So I'm gonna remove you. Not you. Where's that at? Right here. See, I already have a thing. See. Alright, boom. Remove you, and we're gonna remove the thing, the queue handler. You're not needed. Alright. Let's go to combat controller right here. And let's just do on state change, we check the queue. Combat controller right there. So alright. Right here. Let's go right there. Client state controller dot state change connect function new state. Right here. local flags equals local flags equal get flags. If not flag.can m1, then we don't do anything. Or not, let's do like this. If flag dot can m1 equals true, then we're gonna check queue, process queue, queue handler dot process queue m1, right? Else, or should we have else? It doesn't really matter, right? We can do or. We can do an or. Yeah. Because I was gonna say the block also needs to be done. If flags dot can one or. Nah, I can't do or because I can't pass one. Process queue. Else, if flags dot can block goes true, then let's keep block. I think that's the best way. I don't know. I'm pretty sure though. Right? So let's go to queue handler. Let's do the process queue thing. Cause bitch action, right? Yeah, action name. So if this thing is not held, like the key's not held, then we're gonna return end because it's not in queue no more. If so, basically, if not, oh yeah, we also do that. If not, actions. No, not you. I don't think we should have valid actions. Valid actions, get out of there. Right there, held keys and queue, right? Should we have valid actions? Might as well have valid actions. All right. So if not, if nothing was passing through, like passed in there, then return end. Or we could just do if not thing. Yeah, just do here. If not held keys, action name, then return end. So held key. So if the key's not held, then we're not gonna process it because it's out of queue anyways, right? If not valid actions, I know. Let's make a local function and say get check action state or some shit like that. Local function get validation action name. Nah, that shouldn't be like that either because this shouldn't be able to talk to my controller, right? That should not be able to talk to controllers. So I guess we're gonna do Alright, I guess we're gonna do this. We're gonna make an event signal. So actually no, I can't talk to that either way. Okay, I guess let's do it like this then. We're gonna have another function called function queue handler dot state change, and then flags, new flags. For key in period value do. No, that's not it. New flags. So I guess valid actions equals new flags, and for new flags we're gonna pass in thing. We're gonna pass in, I guess we'll make a new table right here at the top. Call it queue. Nah, gang, I feel like I'm fucking up. Because this is what I was thinking. Make a new table with like these actions, right? Just separate tables, only for the queue handler. Then when this gets called, we're gonna call this function right here, state change, and we're gonna pass in the new table values. But I don't know if that's the right choice. I don't know if that's fuck, I don't know. Well, I guess let's just test some. Let's test some. Alright, perfect. Things still work. That's good. So right here, look, it's to say rig right at the bottom. So because I did the hitbox and shit. Let me show y'all. Yeah, perfect, works. That's good. Gang, I don't know what to do though. Mm, State change. Cause I don't think my actually, you know what? Fuck yeah, let's do it like that. Let's do it like that. Let's do it the way I do. Where you at? Should we create a local function? But no, gang, I think it's like it's gonna get super clouded, like fucking yeah, clouded here. Is there not automatic way to do that? I feel like I'm hard coding it. It shouldn't be like that. New flags, valid action, new flags. Dot state change. Because it's either this or we use a signal-based thing. Or should we ask this thing, ask the client state controller directly? We can do get flags. Fuck. Nah. You know what? Nah. We're just gonna do it like this. Bitch, I don't know, bro. Hold on. Client state control dot state change. Oh yeah, this is the second, so no, just let it. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna circle back. We're gonna get the handler again. We're gonna access it directly. Q handler is gonna get access directly. Also Q handler was requires no actually not, yeah, actually. Right? We're gonna access it directly, and we're gonna call it directly. It's just a temporary thing, because I don't know what else to do. State change and current flags. Not state list. Right? Okay. So now that we have like the new flags, valid actions. Alright, 4. I guess we do 4 key value pairs if valid key then valid keys. If valid key then valid keys key valid actions key then valid actions key. What the fuck? Valid actions key equals value. Alright. Let's try it like that. Then I'm pretty sure okay, yeah, and then we're gonna do like this. We're gonna print it out, just test it. Let's print I guess valid actions. The old table. Print right there. Alright, so now when we M1, we're gonna change state to swinging, so that should get printed as well. So print twice, I think. Q handler. Hold on. Wait. Valid actions. Yes. Okay. Perfect. It worked. True. Should be true. Because when you're swinging, you should be able to sprint. Why the fuck did you do that? Because right here, I have swinging as can sprint equals false. Maybe it's this thing. The fucking it's right here. And the names have to be the same. I'm pretty sure. Can sprint. Can. Wow. Alright. True, yeah, it was the names. But then that also fucks up the other scripts. The other scripts can't do that. Why is this whole false twice? But as I was saying, I think they all have to be M1s. Like this, they can't have can. It shouldn't have can in them. Because then my other scripts are not gonna like, you won't be able to have that shit. The fucking, this shit won't be right. It won't be that. So what do I do? 4 key value. I guess I'll make a new where you at? New table just for Q states. Like just for the Q states. Local Q states Q table. And we're gonna change U back to what it was originally. Alright, get these right there. Q states or Q validations. Whatever, it doesn't matter. Get rid of that. Alright, now we do state change, signal.new. Alright. And that's not it. Where's it at? Set state. Right there. Alright, calendar state change. And then I guess, but then the problem gets here as well. You don't finna tweak. Gang. And what I mean by the problem gets here as well, it's like this shit is also sprint and this is can, so it can't work like that. Set flags. I guess if I just pass in Boolean values, will that? Don't work. State change current flags. How about thing queue handler? Fork name queue name. The fuck is you doing, dude? The names have to match, bro. That's like the problem right now. The names are not matching. It's can M1 and normal M1. You feel me? Like the names gotta match for them to be similar. And if I change this to can M1, these ones gotta change as well, but it doesn't make sense if they have can M1 in them, right? And also my other scripts, like this action name, has to be can M1. And my other scripts won't know that. Is there no automatic way of doing this? I mean, I guess if queue handler directly accesses this, like make a duplicate of this, shit like that. But still, I could also make a signal for each individual like change and shit. For every time can M1 gets changed, I can make a signal for that, and queue handler knows it's can M1, right? But I don't think that's optimized. Hold on, bro. Gang, let me, yo, like and sub, y'all. Also, let me check, yo, do any of y'all got suggestions, bro? No one got suggestions. Alright, what can we do? 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 State change fire news. Yes, okay. Gang, I don't know, bro. Hold on. Fuck, I don't know. Should we just move on to like the movement controller? I think that's the wisest choice, because we're already late, because I had to restart the architecture yesterday. Let's just move on. Movement control. How do you spell controller? Controller. Alright. Local movement controller equals that. What's the return controller? Return movement controller. Alright. We're probably just gonna copy and paste just copy and paste what we had in the combat controller in here. So this doesn't really matter, they're both controllers. They do the same shit. Right? So probably let's just do that probably. Wait, yo, you guys, you know what might be smart? If instead of client state controller is the one that changes queue handler, we can have client state controller change can M1 and can block and shit like that. Combat controller or movement controller checks if their designated values change. So if can M1 changes, this one is gonna know because it has to know, and then it tells queue to process. So this one processes the queue. Same with this one, they both process it. I think that might work, but since this one handles M1 and block, I don't know. See, I started right here, right? I think state change. I see if flags that can M1 equals true, then can process M1. If flags that can block equals true, then well, I guess it's up, right? Since M1 has a higher priority than block, it shouldn't matter anyway. So even if M1 is not like, even if M1 is like okay, yeah. So even if they have both valid, since this one does look like this one gets processed. Since this one gets processed, queue handler should automatically just see the priority, so it shouldn't know. Yeah. Alright, yeah, we're gonna leave like that. Let's get rid of where's client state right there. Let's get rid of you. Where you at? Oh, I didn't put it. Where's it at? Right there. Alright, so new plan, we're gonna have common control and blank all the controllers change their designated things. So you know what, let's just try on thing. Let's try it with actually yeah, it should work right now actually. Yeah, it should work right now. Let's try it right now. Can I say could no, where's queue handler? Process M1. Yo, the goal is, by the way, let me tell y'all, the goal is when players hold M1, like they just keep M1ing. So after they get stunned, they're gonna stop, right? Obviously. But when the stun is over and they're holding M1, the queue's gonna continue. I think that was supposed to be. If not, valid action means anything hand. Valid actions, action name. Should you know that? Should you know about that? Valid actions. Should queue handler know about valid actions? If queue action name, then return hand queue action. You know, let's just get rid of it just to see. If held keys action name equals false. If not, held keys action. Okay, yeah, we already have that there. Let's just print something. Let's print action. Or let's print. Yeah, let's print action. So instead of clicking, I'm gonna hold it. If holding it works, then that means queue processor, like the general idea, is done. Right? Yeah, I guess I'm tripping. Never mind. But nothing's been printed. Not even action. Oh yeah, because I didn't. Oh, action didn't get printed either because I didn't process queue. I think the queue process didn't work. That's why. See, do you know what I mean? Like if this had been printed, or wait, yo, we could also print it in the beginning. So this condition doesn't matter. Let's print action name. All right, let's see. Hope if it prints, that means like the combat manager is calling the function. If it doesn't, that means it's not calling it. Okay, it's calling it. So that, okay, so this was the condition. That wasn't getting printed. I mean, that wasn't getting fired. If not, held keys. Yo!
Did you see all the roads and stuff?
Yes, gang, thank you.
Are you on live?
Yeah.
Where am I then?
Fuck you mean, where are you?
Oh, I'm not in it.
What do you mean?
Is she delayed?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi guys!
Is this 3 or I don't know. Cause this was going down as well too.
Shout out Evil Coven, shout out Drake.
Alright, yo, get up. Hey, yo, as I was thing. Not held keys. Held keys are false, so they have to be true. If held keys, if this is not true, oh, this held keys false, then return it. Actually, let's print something. Print return. So that should flip it. Oh wait, hold on. What the fuck was that? I mean, that's being printed, but it's returning instantly. I guess that's because I was never adding it to queue, right? But right here, I did on M1 press when I press M1. Not in add to queue. So this goes to queue. Maybe I gotta do something like add to queue means. Where I do. Wait, guys, maybe I have to need to do like function right here. So then things knows. Yeah, let's do that. Updates. Update keys. L keys action name equals. I know we could toggle as well. Toggle. Action name, so okay, yeah, let's do like that then. Where's M1 held? This wrong class. Let me close that script then. It's distracting. M1 held. So M1 held, M1 pressed right here. We're gonna update it no matter what, because fucking M1 been pressed. Doesn't matter if the condition doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if it's not validated. We're gonna update it. Doesn't matter. Do I have my shit here? Q handler? Yeah, I do. Alright, Q handler dot bitch. Q handler dot update keys M1 true. So this is a toggle, and then we're gonna do the same thing for when it's released. Remove it from the thing. That's not it. Right here. Q handler dot update keys M1 false. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, warthoug's not being printed. M1 is getting. Okay, yeah, it works. See? The animation didn't play because I didn't connect it yet, but this got printed again. So that means process queue got called again. I think. But why did it get called the first time? When why did it get called whenever I was M1 first? Maybe something client state module, or like yeah, client state controller. True, false, true. Set state, without state, new state, set state, fire, new state. Why'd you process if flags up? Oh, set state, connect function, new state. That's right here, yeah. Because when I change the states, combat controller calls it no matter what. That's why. Then I guess we should have Q handler just see fucking if action name is not in Q. So Q if not Q action name, then return end. Yeah, this should be it. I think. Let's hope. It didn't get printed, and it prints. It didn't print. Okay, but it should be in Q. Why is it not printing? It should be in Q because I was holding M1. Q. Q action if okay, let's do like this. If Q action name equals false, then return N. Maybe it's because the fucking signs and shit. No, ain't shit get print. Action name is false. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, that's good. Print go. Go. Okay. Alright. Oh yeah, it's because I returned end. Maybe that's why. If the tell keys action equals false, then return. Oh, we're telling it print images, so it didn't return. So process queue just didn't get called. Combat controller. Where's cannot process queue again? Right here. State change. New state. Right pass in was did I not pass in the state or did I pass in the flags? The flags are like the shit, the state is the name. Client state controller. New state. Set state, so you know what, cut. Oh yeah, right here. New state. Oh, I fired the fucking. Okay, I'm tripping. So we gotta fire current flags instead of new state. Am I retarded? Like what? Should we try like printing something? Just anything, doesn't matter. Just see if this thing is actually getting fired. Where's combat controller? We don't need you. Let's get you everything. Let's fire. Okay, let's print something just to make sure something is fired. Something's getting fired. Print new state. So it should change when I click because we're changing the state to swinging. Boom. Okay, so that's oh yeah, and it's changed again. That's So after a debounce time, it goes back to default, which is idle. Okay, so that did get printed, right? Okay, that got printed. That means local flags equals client control dot get flags. There's no need for that though. What the fuck am I doing? Local flag equals local flags. Actually, I could just name this, change the name of this. Let's do, instead of dot, we gotta do brackets, because I don't know why, but they just be telling me that. I guess string. What the fuck? Right there. And then we do block. Can block. It's true then. Alright. Let's see. It's not working though, bro. Something not working. Because the function is being called, right? Get you right there. Like this thing is working, like it's getting connected. If flags can m1 equals true, then let's do if flags equals true, then print something. Print word tar. Just so we know, like that shit should be getting called. Okay, so yeah, okay, so that process queue is getting called. Process queue and there, process queue. If let's print something here, then print the word tar 2 return. Let's see. Why did you get if q action equals false. Maybe I'm doing something twice, right? So I'm not adding it to queue, so it shouldn't even be no, but it should be matter. It should be held keys, you know. Where's q angle? If q actually equals false, then let's try like this first. Then remove that. Just we're gonna add it later. But let's see if goat works. Alright, my fault. Should we sprint again? Okay, perfect. It prints again. We're after debounce, right? Should print again. Yeah, you should print again. Why are you not printing again? Oh wait, no, that got printed because of the process queue. I'm tripping. That's something. Oh wait, no, that's supposed to be like that. Since it's pretty much just for when the validation, like when can m1 changes, process queue gets called and sees if can m1 is held, if the key is held, and if it's in queue, and if both of them are true, then it plays it. So I guess it did its job correctly. This is a different word, I guess. Let's just return n right here. Let's pause then. Alright, so let's go back. Alright, well, if flags not canon 1, canon 1 equals true, then okay. Good review. Q process Q m1. If held keys action equals false, then return. If let's do this. If Q action equals false, then return n. Because if it's not in Q, then there's no point in playing it, I think. Or is there? Because Q. Yeah. I'm tripping. Yeah. This is not supposed to even be here. Right? Let's try making client state say can't sprint and like can't fucking m1 and shit. Let's do can m1 equals false. That's what happens. So first state should work. Let's see. Works, and then state change, it adds the queue as well. Bitch, what? Because the state change as well. You should fire. I did not fire. Oh, let's do this then, I guess. State change. Okay, let's do this. New state. If new state equals swinging, if new state equals swinging, then return end. Right? And then we'll client state controller do for passing new state, not default state, and not current flags, my fault. Current state, or right here. Press a new state, and here we're gonna do local flags equals client state get flags. If oh wait, no, we just if flags can1 equals true, then alright, let's try like that. So on the first state change, it shouldn't care about it. So it should again state change. Alright, but yo, first thing that happened, right? The state changed to swinging, and it's changed again back to default, right? So when it changed to default, the can M1 should have worked. Why did it not work? Maybe let's try printing flags. Print flags. Maybe it's hanging onto the old flags, I think. State change? Yep, there we go. Can M1 equals true. Okay, so fuck me not, why'd you not work? If can M1 equals true, then process Q. Oh, maybe it's the first. If it is not in the queue. Oh, that's okay. Yo, no. The debounce made it so it fire at the same time. So when it doesn't get added to the queue because it doesn't have enough time for swing state to be there. So swing state is not there for enough time because it's set to fucking debounce shit. So it checks right fucking at the instant that swinging detection and shit. Or like it's not getting added to queue, that's why. Alright. Well, I guess we can't test it like that. It's okay. Let's just yo, you know what? I'm gonna trust myself and we're gonna keep this. Queue action name return equals false. Then return end. Alright. If it's not in queue, then return end. Alright. I guess we alright then, I guess we start movement manager, movement controller. That's enough for that. Nothing else we can do again. Alright then. Alright. Where's my there you are. Movement controller. Alright. Let me think. So we gotta bind sprint to this, right? I had this all on the original architect design, like on the original animation manager. So I'll just copy and paste, it doesn't really matter. Local we need function movement control.init. We're putting in weapon. Do we need weapon manager? I don't think so, right? Nah, probably not. Weapon input manager. Input manager dot sprint. What was it? Let me see. Input manager dot sprint fest connect function. Let's go to module loader. Let's call you as well. Local movement mod controller. Movement controller. So where is you right here. Movement controller.init input manager. Let me see how we spelled it on the other side, like right here on init. I spelled with capital I. Okay, we're good then. I was just gonna say it feels tidy and shit. Alright, so sprint got pressed. I just love surprise. Where was it? In my old moment. Did I delete that shit? Fuck, I deleted it. Oh my gosh. I deleted it. Oh, yo, y'all fuck with the models? Gang, I've never seen South Park like this, bro. That shit's so fire. Rita, Divine Axe, Kiribachi, fucking Madara. Alright. So I guess it's delete, so I guess we gotta redo it then. It's okay. Shit happens, bro. Let's make our variables. We always first make our variables. Always first make our variables. Local replicate storage. I usually do this right here. It's become like a habit of shit. Right. So first we got this. We're gonna need it anyway because we need signal. We need signal and blink, so we're gonna need it. So after we make our variables, right? We're gonna make our. We're not done our variables. What am I talking about? We're gonna do is sprinting, I guess. Yeah, is sprinting. False is okay. No, I think it was is moving actually. Bro, fuck! Why'd I delete it, game? I mean, I could have Claude make it, but it's like I want you to make sense. Let's try it for sense. Equals false. This is so like when they stop moving, sprint should stop too. Alright? What else was it? I guess dash debounce? Yeah. So I guess dash debounce would. Yo, is dash usually dependent on like if you're light, medium, or heavy? Cause I think the cooldown on dash should be should I make it like that? It's like dependent on fucking light, medium, or heavy. I don't know if other games do it like that. I mean, ABA does it like that, I think, or nah. The fuck? Whatever, bro. We'll do it. We'll make it so it's all this. Local dash debounce equals false. Alright. Alright. So I guess we just start. Right here, let's add thing as well. Dot sprint release. Net. Commander dot dash pressed. What was it? Dash pressed. Dash pressed. Connect function. Didn't need you. Alright, let's get our local function now. Local functions are next. Is moving. The fuck is you talking about? I guess we do update is, bro. I forgot how you do it, gang. Cause you have to check the player state humanoid and shit. Like if the character is moving or not. I guess we also need players then. We need players as well. Another service. Go players equals. Game get service players, and then let's do local player. Local player equals first local character, local humanoid. We need you, and we do players dot character added, which means when they die or like when they reset, we're gonna connect it to this. Players or player dot character added. See, already knows. We're gonna call another function called update. Local function update movement, I guess, something like that. Alright, bro. I don't know. Just so wasn't this move direction dot if humanoid dot move direction dot magnitude is less than 0, then if not is moving, then it is moving. True. No need for it to have that. Is move. True if it's greater than 0, muff. Else is moving equals false. But no, bruh. There's no reason to have is moving then. Yeah, there's no reason to have is moving. We're gonna delete that. Because we gotta end the animation. Then I guess we do something like this. Oh wait, yeah, we could do is sprint pressed. Local sprint held equals false, and then we do it right here. Where you at? Sprint held equals true, and sprint held equals false here. So what I did here is, if the character is moving and the sprint held is true, meaning they're holding shift, then we do validations. I guess, yeah, we do validations. Yeah, so remove view. If is less than 0, if sprint, I guess we could do if sprint is not held, we also end the animation forcibly. Equals false, then we're gonna end the animation forcibly. Just comment here, because I'll do it later. It's just a test run. If it's less than thing, and I guess we also end the animation here. Then end the anim. Nah, it should be like that. M sprint. Okay, yeah. Shoot. You know what? We'll just fire it. And on the animation side, the animation handler, we'll do like, if the animation is already not playing, just return N. Don't continue. Nothing bad about just fucking. Nothing bad in just. I don't know. Nothing about just making sure. Okay, so if the character is not moving, then end it. Stuff for luck. If sprint is not held, then end sprint animation. Alright. Well, no, that shouldn't be like that actually, because this is gonna be fired either way from here, right? Sprint equals false, and we're gonna fire thing. End sprint animation, because sprint is ended, right? So no need for that. Fuck, bro, I don't know. I forgot how you do it, bro. Alright, so let's start with the validator. Local sprint validator equals local function. My fault. Function. Oh yeah, by the way, after after variables you have this, and then you have your local functions, and then your main functions, which are like this one. This one's a function, like a public function. My fault. Which means other scripts can call this. And at the end here, not the end, but like right here, I have my connections, like player.character added, and right here I have my if I ever make a signal, let me show. Actually, yeah, I also need a signal either way, so let me just make it. Do I need a signal? I don't think I do. It doesn't matter. We'll do it later. We'll think about it later. Where's my end at? Okay. So if return state control.get flag can sprint. Do I not have it? I don't have it. Alright, we gotta do this. Local controllers equal the parent. Local handlers goes to the parent. Local client. How do you spell that shit again? Equals fire. Input manager. I don't have input manager. I don't need input manager. I'm getting. Okay. Alright. Yo, fuck up, bro. Stop screaming. Alright. Okay, now I'm lost. Hold on. What happened? Darren, what happened? Alright, bro. Alright, client state control. Okay, we have that. So, and for the handlers, we're probably gonna do it from here. Like, get it from here. Actually, no, we'll just get it from here as well. Local animation handler equals car handlers. Local shoe handler, yeah, handler equals. And I guess hitbox not needed. What other handlers do we have? Q, hitbox, combo, and animation. Combos for the combat controller, and hitbox for the combat controller as well. This is pretty much what we need for a movement. Alright, now I guess we return client state.get flag can sprint. Yeah. Alright, same with local function dash validator return can dash. Alright. So on press we're gonna do sprint held equals true. If not sprint validator return end. And right here we should play it, right? How about this one? Oh yeah, right here. If not dash validator. Oh yeah, if dash debounce then return end. Dash debounce is like they can't spam dash. And if oh, we should also do thing. If not dash validator return end. Yeah, return end. Alright. Why you what happened here? Oh, it's because of this. I just think that there's so much bullshit here. Alright. I thought okay. Now what? Update movement. Okay, this is just so whenever the character, yeah, I already told y'all. But let me tell you again. It's gonna play forever, right? Whenever the character joins the game and like the character gets assigned, this plays. When they reset, we have this, so it continues to play forever. We're gonna have to like wait, no, I'm tripping. This is not that this oh, there's another one. I remember it. Self-correct one. This doesn't have a connection. Oh, you got remember, yo, clean up your connections. So memory leaks are pretty much like connections fucking stacking up and shit. That causes so much lag. You gotta remember clean up your connections on fucking whenever a player leaves. Make sure there's like a function to clean up their connections. I'm probably gonna have a function in every script that has a connection that's that says clear connections. I'll call it with another module whenever a character leaves. Just call all of them. Alright, you know, let's just ask Claude. Claude got it. Alright, let's just see, wait, let's see. Oh, was that weird? Should I ask him? Because I should learn this shit too. Oh no. It says character reference timing issues. The initial character reference may be null if the script runs before the character loads. You fucking retarded game. Bro. Okay, never mind. Yo. It's just set. Yo, oh my gosh. Should I trust it, bro? Cause it was talking about some bullshit right now. Okay, let's just see. Missing humanoid connection. Humanoid isn't connected to anything. You'd like to track when state changes. Get five. Yes, that's what it was. That's what it was. That's what it was. And we should clean up. Table answer. That's not needed right now. Player. Oh, that's called sprint change persistence. If player is explaining sprint held and needs to respawn. Okay. Dash debounce that resets. Yeah, that's we want to do that later. Missing validator edge cases. Consider what happens if validator returns false mid sprint. Test that spawn. Oh. Nah, cause nah, tripping. We're not gonna add that. Alright, this is what I was missing. Humanoid get property change signal. Humanoid get property change signal, move direction connect function, update movement. Well, I guess. That's what it connected to. Connect function. Right. And then we're gonna call if is moving direction is less than 0, then I guess is moving equals false. Local is moving equals false. And then do then is moving equals false. I guess we'll just do it here like this. Fuck. Then is moving equals false. Just like more cleaner and shit. And return end. Okay, is moving equals true. And I guess we. Oh no. If it's less than 2, we also gotta end the animation. So let's make a thing, local function. And sprint and stop sprint. What? And return. Just like that. Let's click this. Alright. So let's just do it here, I guess. Is moving equals false. And I guess animation handler dot stop sprint or in the anim. And let's put sprint. Yeah, right there. Okay, so instead of having this, we're just call it end sprint. Call end sprint. Stop sprint. Return end. So that gets called. I made it a local function because we're gonna need it a lot of times. So you got like variables. Yeah, y'all got it. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But where's my Dash should I just remove this because we don't need it right now? We're not using it. Nah, let's just stay. Fuck it. Thing if is moving and I guess we do start sprint as well. A little function called start sprint. Oh yeah. What was it? Was that the fucking function? I forgot, bro. There's like flip, reputation, move. I forgot what it was called, but I have Claude Pro. I can just get Claude Code in that bitch. Let me just do that then. But I want to use it myself. Okay, let's try ourselves. Let's just do this little print. If you know stop sprint, return end. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna have this print something just so we know it works. Print stop moving. Alright, so now if not apparently equals false. Movement. So we should update movement right here on the first init. And as well as here, right there. We already did it there, so we're good there. Alright, let's just test it. Did I load it? Did I load it? Hopefully I loaded it. Let's test. So when I walk, movement updated. Should update. Stopped. Oh yeah, okay, but it did fucking. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Alright, good shit. And I didn't have that. I don't have that in thing yet. The animation handler yet. I'll add that. I'll add it right now. Actually, I already had it. My old one. Animation handler. Load animation. Get animation. End anim. It was get. It was end anim. End anim. Where's this thing at? No, I did it. Attempt to call a nil value. Is it because it's a local function? Local function clean, get weapon check. I guess we can make it a public function. Oh wait, is this? Why is this one here? You shouldn't be here. Oh, I'm the animation. I'm tripping. Yeah, it's because of this. Animation handler dot anim. So when we want to end anim, we gotta do this. Dot end anim. Check. Alright, let's test it. Well, the animation's not even playing either way. Oh yeah, fuck, I had a thing. Let me uncomment that. Animation handler. Let's remove you. You're not needed no more. See right here, I did it so if the animation is not even playing, then we say animation is not even playing right now. Get that out. If not, I'm gonna shut then return that. If activated, else, and if then yeah, else you print that. We need to put you down, organize shit. Alright. I'm hungry. Someone got printed. Okay, that didn't get called. Why did it not get called? Right, this was supposed to call animation handler dot end anim sprint. Yeah, it was supposed to end it. Why did not? Nothing got printed. Oh wait, no, I'm tripping. It's because of this. Let's just put something at the top. Current. Go. Alright. Yeah, right there, see? So that's working. So let's say I'm holding sprint, stop, and the animation ends. If I continue, I'll do that later. Fuck, bro. Yes, okay, that's good. Never mind. Alright. Where's the movement controller right there? And then I'm sprint. I'll just get rid of thing. So we don't need it right now. Okay, so the end animation works. But start sprint, I guess. Sprint validator, get flag, can sprint, can dash. Get flag, can't dash. Moment controller dot internet. Right here. If not sprint validated, then return end. Let's do and is sprinting. Is sprinting should be like that? Is sprinting? Or sprint held? Let's do with sprint held. Fuck. And sprint held. Then stop sprint. Else. We don't even need you actually, get rid of you. And then here we also do state change connect function. Oh, okay, that's okay. Okay, so once the character stops, this gets called. So now we need to do fucking start the animation actually. The function start sprint. Let me actually put this at the top because it's with this as well. So I guess we do animation handler dot what was it? Play normal animation. That's what it is. I gotta remove the local function. The difference between this having a local and a normal one is this one's a variable, so only animation handler can access it. If I remove this, actually not this one. I don't remove that one. I remove. Oh, what? It's already removed. I'm tripping. Never mind. Right there. Play normal anim sprint. Okay, I think that's it. And I guess by the end, use movement shrine next to this game, get above. Stop sprint. So right here we do sprint how the ghost falls and stop sprint. Call it right there. Start, stop, sprint out there, dash out there, update movement. Okay. What else do I need to worry about? So when they stop, it ends. I don't know, we'll do it later. Oh yeah, state changes. When the state changes and the player is able to sprint again and they're holding shift. Alright. Maybe it's because I don't have animation manager with me? No, it is. I have it. So fuck we got going on. Animation manager. I'm not my fault, I'm not handler. Play normal anim. If not anim name then. Let's print. Check equals, if not check then. Let's print some here. I guess I'm not passing handler equals require handler sign handler equals script dot parent, which is that dot parent. Oh yeah, dot parent dot handlers. Animation handler equals animation handler. So yeah, you should play. Why'd you not play? If not animation track then. Track equals weapon check engine. If not weapon, if not item name then. So that I get warned, so that it has a track. Why didn't you get played then? If not act then we should track then. Let's print some. Let's do right here. Let's print it right here. Let's print item track. Oh, that got printed. Maybe I didn't load it. Maybe I didn't load it, that's why. That's why I'm tripping. I did load it, why the fuck is it doing that? Animation handler. I guess let's print anim name. Right there. Is my mic working? Yo, okay, it's working. Check that. It didn't get called out. Maybe my module loader didn't fucking work. Local movement control equals required controls that movement control that init. Input manager. Which how that init, weapon manager, combat handler, movement control that init. Animation handler that init. View handler. Did you need to edit? No, you didn't need to edit. I don't know. normal and let me try that to normal and maybe let's print some. Let's print the fucking. Let's print. Where you at? Oh, maybe sprint is not validated. Oh. In it, sprint out is true. Bro, because of this, I didn't fucking call it. Oh my gosh, I won't be thinking. Just start sprint. Here it is. What? You're playing. I mean, she's not playing right now. You're playing. What you mean? You're playing though. So why did you do that? Stop sprint. Start sprint. Move you. Stop sprint. And anim sprint. Okay, that works. So you didn't get printed. Let's not uncheck. Oh, uncheck. Yeah, okay. Let's just do anim name. So if not anim name, then local anim track. So local anim track equals if not anim track, then return n. Let's also do if not anim name, then return end. Okay. If not anim track, if anim track, no, not that. What do I do for here? Anim track. Okay, wait. If not active animation, then return n. Why return? Oh yeah, because it's not active. If active animation track, you do anim track, then no. Anim track stop. Track stop. Else print. Okay, yeah, this should work now. Okay, now I gotta make it so when the player is moving again, it plays again. Oh, but why did I get printed twice? Oh yeah, never mind, I'm tripping. That's why, because I ended it. Ended the animation. Fuck, bro, I'm hungry, god. My shit working? It's working. What? Alright. Can I see controller? Was it the? No, where am I at? On the controller. We're in here, right here. If you wanna. Then starts right now. Else. Sprint held and not is moving. But also is moving. Okay, I think this is how it's valid. Anyway, I'll remove the validation. Oh, you're down there. Okay, let's take you out. Put you both right there. If not, turn hands. Here we're gonna do start sprint. Yeah. Alright, Sprint validate. What? Sprint validator. So yeah, okay. That's validator. Sprint validator. And can they move it? No, yeah. There's a few more sprint held them. Stop sprint. Else if sprint held and is moving, then starts. Is moving should be let's just this. Else start sprint, right? What's is moving? How do we determine if this moving is true? I guess you return here, right? I'm tripping. Because we don't need to continue the function. Well, I guess this is the else statement, so it doesn't really matter. Let's do here. Oh, let me just ask Cloud real quick to see what it is. Because I feel like I'm not doing this moving correctly. Cloud is talking about something. What is it talking about? Memory leak and update movement. You can get a new connection every time update movement is called and domestic connection. What's the connection? Logic should move after not continue. Yeah, I knew it. This Roka. I might have to get off, I don't know. Tired as a bitch. Oh no. Whatever. Let me just fix these bugs first and then I'll get off. I mean, no, I'm finna just store it, bro. I can't be bothered. Yo, I'm finna end stream. Let me go to the Google Docs. Let me share my screen. Google Docs right here. Yeah, I'm finna end stream. Cut my head hurts. I don't know why. But yo, I got the bugs down. I'm writing them right here. Let's make a new tab. I call it moment manager bugs. Rename move handler and handler bugs. Move handler bugs. It's the bugs. I'll do it tomorrow, bro. I don't know. It's so fucking long. I don't know. But yo, today was productive. I like today. Today was very productive. Low key, yeah, today was productive actually. Well, not as productive as yesterday. Actually, it was actually, you know what? It was productive. Fuck it, it was productive. I liked it. Today was a good day. I guess tomorrow we're gonna be working on the movement handler bugs and processing queue. Then I guess it's block manager time, block handler time, and after that we're starting on the server side stuff. I think, I don't know. Not jinx myself. But yo, after stuff and then I guess I'll have to check if the server architecture is good and maybe redo it. I don't know. But yo, we've been working our asses off getting fucked. Oh yeah, in case y'all don't know, there's a 2 hour 20-minute stream before this. I stopped streaming earlier on accident, so I just deleted it. But now, gang, I don't know, bro, my head hurts. Well, it doesn't even hurt, it's just my fucking, I think it's my earphones, bro, it's like clamping my head together and shit. But yo, I'll see y'all tomorrow.